Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Cardano, $ADA, founder explains why we ain't seen nothing yet on TVL on Saturday, March 12. Charles Hoskinson, who is co-founder and CEO of IO Global, aka IOG, formerly known as IOHK, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, talked about TVL and Cardano-powered DeFi protocols. Hoskinson's comments came in response to an $ADA hodler's tweet about the rapid growth in Cardano's total value locked, TVL, i.e., the aggregate amount of funds locked into its DeFi protocols. The IOG CEO said that there are many Cardano DeFi apps that are waiting for Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June, and once that happens, we should see an even more impressive growth in Cardano's TVL. On 10 December 2021, Hoskinson explained that he was going to honor his Bulgarian friend and Cardano ambassador Vasil Dabov, who had died recently, by naming the June hard fork after him. Dabov was a blockchain consultant, Haskell practitioner, and experienced ginkgologist. And second news today about Shark explains how institutional investors have found a way to own green Bitcoin. Celebrity investor Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful on ABC TV series Shark Tank, says that institutional investors concerned about the environmental impact of Bitcoin have found a new albeit indirect way to own green Bitcoin. According to the transcript by the Daily Hodl of an interview that was released on his YouTube channel last Friday, March 11, the Shark Tank star said that, although some Bitcoin mining firms are buying carbon offsets to reduce their carbon footprint in an attempt to deal with institutional investors' ESG concerns, the lack of clarity of this approach means that such investors have started focusing on investing in Bitcoin mining firms that rely only on clean energy. As the pressure came on for ESG environmental, social and governance mandates, they started buying carbon credits. That's not going to work, because you're going to start to see in this year, I'm speculating, that these large institutions are going to start demanding carbon credit audits, and you don't want to be in a company's stock that has the risk of a carbon audit, because the truth is it's almost virtually impossible to show and understand the tracking error of a carbon credit versus what you're actually burning in carbon. So all of the money is quietly moving right now to new mining companies, most of them private, that are going to use hydro, wind, solar and nuclear power, because if you use any of those options for mining, there is no carbon audit. There is no offset necessary. You're not burning carbon. Apparently, he has recently invested in a Norway-based Bitcoin mining firm, which uses only green energy, and he explained how investors like him are putting pressure on this firm and others like it to hold, rather than sell the Bitcoins they mine. We have power at less than 2 cents a kilowatt hour. Our stacks are remote. We're using the heat that's generated there for hydroponics and fish rookeries, and the stakeholders of that mine are many of the villagers that live there. Here's the key to this situation. The institutions that are backing it, and some of them are sovereign wealth funds, ask me one thing: are the coins awarded going to stay on the balance sheet of this company? Because we'll be able to own this stock with the proxy that we know every coin was mined sustainably under an ESG mandate, and that's how we want to own our Bitcoin. If you're telling us you're going to sell off your coin, then we're not investing. Lucas Muro, head of research at Into the Block, wrote that decentralized exchanges on Cardano have raised capital from reputable crypto funds such as Three Arrows Capital, and added, Cardano appears to be showing signs of promise for more to come after years without launching smart contracts. This appears to be translating into an accumulation of ADA from large players. Cardano whale holdings have been increasing after a 70% correction on ADA's price, Muro wrote, noting that the referred group, along with addresses holding more than 100 million ADA, recorded double-digit growth month over month. The analyst noted that these whale addresses had previously sold a large amount of their holdings right before ADA began to crash, which suggests they are now eyeing a potential surge in the price of ADA. Notably, last month Singapore-headquartered cryptocurrency trading platform Bitrue added ADA as a base currency on its exchange, with the launch of 9 new trading pairs. A base currency, it's worth noting, is the first currency appearing in a currency pair. It represents how much of the second currency, the quote currency, is needed to get 1 unit of a base currency. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.